again.
And Mr. Ego.
We are going to practice some vowels today. We're going to talk about A, U, and I. The A can be lazy, and it can be a superhero. And the lazy sound of an A is what, Mr. Igo?
Ah, like you're getting ready to take a bite of an apple. Ah, you try. Good job.
Then it can be a superhero with what sound?
A, when it's a superhero, it says its name.
Your turn to try it. Good job. Good. I. It can be lazy and say what?
Eh?
And it can be a superhero and say?
I.
Nice. Your turn, first grader.
Good job.
Good job. Last one is the U. The lazy is like, what's that, Mr. Igo?
He says, like he's really confused. He says,
Yeah. It could be a superhero.
And he says, you. He says his name.
Your turn, first graders.
Good
Awesome
job.
work.
Awesome.
Keep it up.
Yep. See you later.